Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We got a Honda Accord here. Nothing too bad. You can see very faintly some scratches and some light oxidation starting. Sorry about the dog. Customer just got the vehicle and obviously they want to make sure everything is pristine on it. So this one's going to be fairly easy. Again, on camera it doesn't look that bad, but you can see pretty close. There's some pretty good scratches on it. They have some paint right here too we'll be able to get off. So they'll be happy with it. So let's do it. Alright guys, so this is the finished product, nice and clean. So this is a prime example as to why even a slight layer of oxidation is going to make a big difference. If you can see right here, there's 3 little dots. So those are actually the fill nipples for whenever the plastic had originally been poured. So it looks like little droplets of water, but they're actually just little fill points. So just tell the customer let it dry and good to go.